Welcome to the Java programming course. My name is Can Boz, and let me briefly introduce myself. I graduated from Galatasaray University, majoring in industrial engineering. After graduation, I worked as a software engineer for about 3 years. During that time, I gained experience in various industries, from working as a developer in a digital marketing agency, to being a software developer in the customs sector, to developing online ordering and loyalty systems in the food delivery sector, and finally, working as a developer in financial technology company. So, after spending 3 years across 4 different companies, I have been working independently for the last 3 years as a trainer and consultant. So, what will you find in this Java course? As you will see, we start from the absolute basics. In the beginning, we focus on theoretical lessons, which continue up to section 18. After that, we move into full practice. We start with foundational exercise and finish the course more complex project-based challenges. As you see, I have 6 complex projects at the end, and by the time you reach them, you will be able to complete them successfully. That's our goal, to help you build algorithms and solve problems using this programming language. If you get stuck any point during the course, first try searching for the solution on Google. If you still can't find the answer, feel free to post your question in the Q&A section. I check it at least once a week and respond all the questions there. If you have anything else you would like to ask, you can also message me directly. So, I have 295 lessons. In this Java course, I begin with concept explanations, then move on to the exercise, and finally, we wrap up with full projects. You can find the source code in the 4th lessons source file for all lessons and exercises until the projects. So, when I reach the project, you see I have source code for each project. For project 1, I have this source code. For project 2, I have this source code. You can check the source code here. Using source code is important. You can write your own code, and if you encounter any errors, you can compare your code with the source code. This is very helpful. So in this course, the important thing is that you need to try writing your own code. Making mistakes is perfectly fine. It's completely normal to get errors in the beginning. With repeated practice, you will become successful. This course is practice-based and project-focused, so it's very important that you practice a lot. I suggest you don't just watch the lessons. Make sure to write the code yourself and repeat it. In the Java programming course, I will do my best to guide you. See you in the lessons.